Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple photo into a video that grabs attention and tells a story? It might sound difficult, but what if I told you it only takes a few clicks? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, using a super easy free tool. So stick around because you'll definitely want to try this out yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Pixverse. Once you find the official site, click on it, and you're in. No complicated downloads or confusing software here. Just a straightforward website to create amazing videos from your photos. Before you can start creating, you'll need to sign up. But don't worry, it's fast and simple. You can sign up using your Google, Apple, or Discord account, whichever you prefer. You can even use your email, if that's easier for you. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and sign up using my Google account. Now, let's get to the fun part. Once you're logged in, click on Image and choose the photo you want to turn into a video. Whether it's a picture from your recent trip, a pet photo, or a landscape shot, Pixverse lets you transform any image with just a few clicks. Once you've uploaded your photo, you get to choose how long you want your video to be, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. For this example, I'll select 5 seconds, but feel free to adjust it based on the kind of video you want to create. Pixverse makes sure your video will look good by giving you the option to create it in HD quality. This ensures your final video is sharp, clear, and professional looking. Always make sure you select HD for the best results. You can add a description of what's happening in the photo to make the video more detailed and realistic. This helps the tool generate a more dynamic video that looks tailored to your image. Try adding descriptions that match the feel or action of your photo to get even better results. With all the settings in place, it's time to let Pixverse do the work. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your photo will transform into a video. You don't have to be a video expert to get amazing results. Pixverse handles it all for you. Once your video is ready, you can review it and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your video. And just like that, you've turned a simple image into a dynamic, engaging video in minutes. Next, let's explore one of the most unique features Pixverse has to offer: text to video. This is perfect for those moments when you don't have a specific image, but still want to create something visually appealing to tell a story or convey a message. It's super simple. Just type in any text or description, and Pixverse will automatically create a video that matches the mood and theme of your words. For example, I'll type, "The sun sets over the mountains, casting a golden glow." After hitting Generate, the tool instantly creates a stunning video with visuals that match the scene I've described. No need to search for stock images or videos. It's all done for you. Now, let's check out the character-to-video feature. This is where Pixverse truly stands out. Here's how it works. Let's create a character. First, click on Character from the menu. Then click Create to start a new character. Here, you can upload any character image you have. This could be a drawing, an AI-generated avatar, or even a fictional persona you've created. Once uploaded, give your character a unique name. For example, I'll call mine Freya. Once you've named your character, click Create Character. Next, head over to the Assets section to double-check that your character has been successfully added. If everything looks good, you're all set for the next step. Now that your character is created, head back to the home page and select your character. This is where things get fun. In the text box provided, type in anything you want your character to do. For example, I'll type Freya singing a song. Once you've entered the prompt, click Create, and Pixverse will work its magic and generate a fully animated video featuring your character. Within seconds, your character goes from a static image to a lively animation. This is perfect if you're looking to create a series of videos featuring a consistent character. This is great for creating short animated clips, social media teasers, or even character intros for larger projects. And that's it! With just a few easy steps, you've learned how to turn a text, image, and character photo into an engaging video that you can share with your friends or post online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use this awesome tool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.